Features of breast cancer in women under 50 years of age in HIV positive and negative patients in Limpopo Province, South Africa. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Breast cancer and HIV are major global burden of disease among women. There are 39.9 million people globally living with HIV in 2023, and 53% of which were women and girls. Breast cancer is the most diagnosed cancer in women and incidence with 2.3 million, comprising 11.6% of all cancer cases in 2022. Breast cancer is commonly occurring in elderly women in Europe and America. However, in Africa, it happens often among younger women. Primary objective of the study is to better understand the features of breast cancer, stage, hormonal status, grading and molecular subtype in women under 50 years and to identify any differences between HIV positive and negative groups of breast cancer patients. A retrospective descriptive quantitative study was designed to analyze the profile of women under 50 years old with breast cancers who attended Mankweng Breast Oncology Clinic from July 2020 to December 2021. Mankweng Breast Cancer Clinic Register was used to get patients' initial data, and the patients' relevant records were assessed to collect detailed information. The statistical software package SPSS V29 was used for data analysis. A total of 109 breast cancer patients were evaluated. The mean age was 40.6 years among HIV-negative patients and 39 years among HIV-positive patients. Regarding HIV status, 28 patients, 25.7%, were HIV positive, while 81 patients, 74.3%, were HIV negative. In the HIV positive group, the distribution of molecular subtypes was as follows: luminal A in 5 patients, 24%, luminal B in 8 patients, 38%, HER2 plus overexpression in 3 patients, 14%, and triple negative in 5 patients, 24%. Regarding disease stage, 6 patients, 21%, were diagnosed at an early stage, while 22 patients, 79%, presented with late-stage disease. Among the HIV-negative group, the molecular subtypes were distributed as follows: luminal A in 16 patients, 22%, luminal B in 41 patients, 58%, HER2 plus overexpression in 7 patients, 10%, and triple negative in 7 patients, 10%. Regarding disease stage, 16 patients, 20%, were diagnosed at an early stage, while 65 patients, 80%, presented with late-stage breast cancer. Regarding the histological type of breast cancer in this study, all patients, both HIV positive and HIV negative patients, had invasive ductal carcinoma, no special type. Age of breast cancer in HIV positive women is slightly younger than HIV negative. Triple negative molecular subtype was proportionately more in the HIV positive group in comparison to HIV negative patients. Majority of breast cancer patients presented in an advanced stage in both HIV positive and negative groups. Initiative of routine breast cancer screening should take place on this population of women under 40-year age. Breast cancer and HIV are both major health concerns for women around the world, especially in South Africa, where many people live with HIV. While breast cancer usually affects older women in places like Europe and the USA, in Africa it is more common in younger women under 50, and these women often seek help when the disease is already in a late stage. Some studies have shown that women with HIV may develop breast cancer at a younger age than those without HIV. However, other research shows no clear link between the two. In South Africa's Limpopo province, A large number of breast cancer cases are found in younger women, and many of these patients are also living with HIV. This study aims to explore the differences in breast cancer characteristics, such as stage, type, and hormone sensitivity, between HIV positive and HIV negative women under 50 years of age in Limpopo. Conclusion: the mean age of breast cancer in HIV positive women was slightly younger than HIV negative. Triple negative molecular subtype was proportionately more in the HIV positive group compared to HIV negative patients. The majority of breast cancer patients presented in an advanced stage in both HIV positive and negative groups. Initiative of routine breast cancer screening should take place on this population of women under 40 years of age, BUIA, 2025. Further studies are indicated to elucidate the genetics and environmental influences of breast cancer in young women in this population. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.